Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at being able to check for deviation on our part using Point2CAD. To do that, we'll simply come down, use our command plate and select the deviation icon, just like we select all the other icons in Point2CAD. So we'll press our top button with the probe of the microscope down on the deviation icon. And now we'll select a surface that we want to inspect. So say we want to inspect this top surface. Well, now it's going to give us the run out on that surface. Okay, and no matter where we go, in and out, it'll show that. If we hold down our input, we can start taking inputs around that area. Now, say we want to look at another surface. We can simply come in, take a look at that, maybe look at another surface. So we're able to very quickly and easily come in and check our deviation. So we can look at that. Relatively straightforward. The deviation function is very helpful to ensure that we're using the correct methodology to come in and create our parts using Point2CAD. So I highly recommend using that while you're creating your parts to ensure that you don't have something that's shifted off in your part while reverse engineering. So the final thing that we will look at today is our probe compensation. So if we go into our settings, we have a few different settings for probe compensation. If you notice, those points were off by a fairly large distance, roughly about half a millimeter, or 1.5 millimeters, and the reason why is because we're using a 3mm probe to create this, but we didn't put in any tip diameter. So for the standard microscribe, you want to put in a 3mm tip diameter and no shaft length. So once we put that in, we'll be able to reverse engineer our part in the correct manner. You can also go in and do some inspections inside of Muse to find out the true diameter of your probe tip, and also do some offsets. If you have not, I would highly recommend taking a look at our Muse tutorial videos also, which is our microscribe utility software. So those give you a few options, and hopefully this will help you just get started with Point2CAD. There are quite a few advanced things that we will go into very soon, including leapfrogging and being able to create organic surfaces inside of Point2CAD. So until then, I hope that this has been informative and that you will enjoy using your new microscribe to reverse engineer inside of SOLIDWORKS. Thank you.